Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The La Femme Ogu. It means from farm to taste. If you are new here, you are definitely welcome. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Today, I would like to show you how to plant onions in a container without using onion seeds. Right now, I'm using a custard container. I'll be cutting off the head and then drill the holes at the bottom of the container and also at the sides of the container for a good drainage. Then we'll add some rich soil into the container. So guys, keep on watching why I tell you some of the health benefits of onions. Onions are commonly used in every household for different recipes. Some helps to boost your immune system, fight inflammation, help to regulate blood sugar, rich in antioxidants, and also rich in vitamin C. So guys, these are the health benefits of onions. Apart from the health benefits, you guys can also testify to how tasty it brings out your delicacy. It brings out a beautiful taste, a good, nice aroma. So, guys, let's keep on watching just to know how you can plant your onions at home. Right now, I will be planting my onions at my balcony, my kitchen balcony, where the sunlight is, and also where rain, when it rains, the rainwater can also wet it for me, or even I myself. It's part of my duty to water it every day. So this is how it's going to look like after drilling the container, the sides and the bottom. Now we'll be adding the seed and the rich soil. This soil, I got it from the third street of my house. I and my daughter went out very early in the morning to dig some soil from another street. So I got this soil and I decided to use it to plant the onions today. So now I'll be adding the soil. After then, I'm going to clean up my surroundings because the sands have poured everywhere and the container wrapper is also on the floor and all that. So I need to clean up everywhere before we can continue because I like a clean environment. So now it's been clean. Look at how neat and clear everywhere is. So guys, I have like 5 onions there, and I will cut. Oh my god, this my daughter is. She really wants to show me the camera. Oh, but let's keep going. 5 onions. I'll be cutting the head off. The bottom won't be cut off because that is where we are going to use to place. That's where we're going to place it with the soil. Then we peel off the back, like the wrap of the onions. After peeling them off, then I'll be placing the onions in the soil by planting them halfway into the soil because we just need the bottom of each onion to create their roots for the onions to grow. So guys, let's keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Uses of onions can be used for different recipes like healing teas, It can be used as hair growth oil and, and so many more. So guys, you can share on our comment section below what other health benefits you know about onions and their uses that I have not mentioned. So this channel is just is about us learning things around us, learning more things around us. So nobody is above knowledge except God. So this is how it looks after some days, I think 3 to 4 days. And here it is after a week. You can see the soil is darkened. The onions have started growing little by little. You can see that green stuff coming up. That shows it's growing too. So guys, just keep on watching it every day. Put it where the sunlight is and look at how beautiful it comes out after a month. It's grainy, fresh, looks tantalizing. So guys, this is how it is and it keeps on growing and I'll keep updating you on how it grows till the harvest day. So now, thank you very much for watching my video. It's so helpful. Thanks so much. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe so I can get updates on my next video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Peace.